Thank you so much for joining me today. Roll out your yoga mat, have your yoga props close by, and find absolutely any comfortable seat. As always, please listen to your body. Never stretch past what feels good, and never find a pose that feels painful. You can always skip something. Starting off with 3 deep breaths. Close your eyes. Let go of the belly and the chest. And find a deep inhale through the nose, guiding the breath into the belly, into the chest. Part the lips and exhale through the mouth like you're fogging up a mirror. 2 more like that if that felt good. Inhale through the nose, guide the breath into the belly, into the chest. Part the lips and exhale, release. 1 more, this time go at your own pace. Come back to your natural breath and inhale from any comfortable seat, circle, sweep hands up to the sky. Exhale, lower hands down and root the fingertips on the earth to frame the hips. Softly guide the right ear over towards the right shoulder. Just gently stretching the neck. Lift the crown of the head up higher if that's too intense. And then same thing on the other side. Softly draw the left ear over towards the left shoulder. Really nice. Lift the crown of the head back up, reach the hands up. Interlace the fingers behind the back and softly lean back, perhaps drawing the knuckles to the earth behind you. Pull the ribs in to protect the lumbar spine. Rise back up, release the clasp, and come to lay down on your back. Bend the knees. And lift the legs up to the sky. Really good. And just pause here for a moment in waterfall pose. Perhaps open the wings out wide, palms face up. Just breathe. Hug the heels in, holding on to the outer edges of your feet. Flex the feet, creating dorsiflexion, drawing toes up and back towards the shins while connecting the soles of the feet together. This is a great way to stretch the hips without compromising the lower back. If this is too much, hold on to the outer knees instead, sending the heels forward more. Release, lift the feet back up to the sky and open the wings out wide, coming back into waterfall. Come into happy baby. Hold on to behind the knees if your lower back is lifted or if it's too intense. And softly sway from right to left. Really good. And lower down into Savasana, final resting pose. Open the heels and the hands out as wide as the short edge of the mat. Close your eyes, release, and let go of the body. Just focus on each inhale and exhale. Really nice. Bend the knees, roll over onto one side. Really good. And when you're ready, slowly lift up into any comfortable seat. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you're able to take this peace that you've cultivated for yourself into the rest of your day.